Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your Amazon Seller Central, and seeing hundreds of units prepped, labeled, and shipped to FBA warehouses, all without you lifting a finger. What if I told you that in 2026, this isn't a fantasy? It's my daily reality, thanks to a system I've built, leveraging cutting-edge AI. If you've ever felt the crushing weight of manual FBA prep, the endless hours of scanning, stickering, and boxing, then this message is for you. Forget the grind. I'm about to show you how to transform your Amazon business into a lean, automated profit machine, freeing you to scale your sourcing and strategy, not your workload. The biggest hurdle for new and even established Amazon FBA sellers, especially those in retail or online arbitrage, is the sheer volume of repetitive tasks involved in product preparation. You find profitable inventory, you make the purchase, and then reality hits. Hours spent prepping. Each unit needs inspection, often polybagging, a unique FNSKU label, a box label, and then careful packing to meet Amazon's strict requirements. This manual labor is a significant bottleneck. It limits your daily volume, eats into your profit margins through opportunity cost, and often leads to burnout. For me, back in late 2025, I was spending upwards of 25 to 30 hours a week on prep alone, capped at about 1,500 units a month. My gross revenue was decent, around $30,000 monthly, but my net profit was squeezed because I couldn't efficiently process more inventory without hiring staff, which introduced a whole new layer of management complexity. I needed a way to break free from the physical limitations of my time and space, and that's when I started exploring advanced automation solutions specifically for 2020 SIXS tech landscape. Here's the step-by-step solution I implemented, moving from manual prep to a fully AI-powered system, saving me over 80% of my previous prep time and boosting my monthly unit output by nearly 200%. Step 1. Leveraging AI for intelligent sourcing and initial filtering, cost savings, 5% of product cost. Before anything touches my hands, an AI-powered sourcing bot, custom-built to my specific criteria, scans dozens of online retailers hourly. This bot isn't just looking for price discrepancies. It analyzes historical sales data, Amazon by box rotations, and even predicts potential pricing drops or surges using predictive analytics. The AI identifies products with a minimum 30% ROI after FBA fees. This alone saves me countless hours of manual scanning and ensures I'm only buying profitable items. For example, in February 2026, my bot flagged a specific toy set with a 45% ROI, leading to a $7,500 gross profit on a single replenishable item. Step 2. Automated purchase order generation and data sync. Time saved, 5 hours per week. Once the AI identifies profitable items, I use a custom script that automatically generates purchase orders. This script then integrates with my inventory management software, a tailored spreadsheet system linked to a cloud database. Each new product's ASIN, FNSKU, pulled directly from Amazon via API, cost and supplier information are immediately synced. This eliminates manual data entry errors and ensures that by the time products arrive, all their digital information is already organized. This saves me roughly 5 hours a week of administrative work. Step 3. The AI-powered inbound receiving and inspection system, labor cost reduction, 60%. This is where the magic truly begins. When shipments arrive at my small processing facility, they are first run through a conveyor system equipped with high-resolution cameras and LiDAR sensors. An AI vision system, trained on thousands of product images and condition guidelines, performs an initial inspection. It checks for damaged packaging, incorrect items, or discrepancies in quantity against the automated purchase order. For instance, if I ordered 10 units of a specific item and only 9 arrived, or if one box was visibly crushed, the AI flags it instantly, complete with photographic evidence. This automated inspection catches about 95% of issues before any human intervention, allowing me to process claims with suppliers immediately. This system effectively replaces what would have been at least one full-time employee dedicated to receiving and basic inspection, translating to a labor cost reduction of around $3,000 per month. Step 4. Robotic FNSKU labeling and polybagging. Efficiency boost, 200%. The items that pass inspection are then moved to the next station, an automated robotic arm. This robot is integrated with my inventory system. It retrieves the correct FNSKU label from a thermal printer, precisely applies it to each unit, and then, if required based on product type and Amazon's guidelines, which the AI is constantly updated on, places the item into a pre-sized poly bag. My previous process of manually labeling 2,000 units would take a skilled human approximately 16 to 20 hours. This robotic system processes the same volume in about 8 hours. The accuracy rate for label placement is 99.8%, far surpassing human consistency. This significantly reduces instances of Amazon refusing inventory due to incorrect or misplaced labels. I calculate this automation increased my prep speed by over 200% and reduced mislabeling costs, like Amazon's reprocessing fees, by 80%. Step 5. Smart kitting and box packing with weight optimization, shipping savings, 8%. The final stage involves another robotic arm or a series of smaller collaborative robots, cobots, that perform smart kitting and box packing. My AI system calculates the optimal way to pack multiple SKUs into shipping boxes, prioritizing weight distribution, minimizing void space, and adhering to Amazon's box dimension and weight limits, e.g., typically under 50 pounds, though this varies. The system suggests the correct box size from a limited range I keep in stock. Then the cobots arrange the items. Before sealing, an integrated scale verifies the box weight. If the weight is off, or if an item is missing, the AI alerts me. This intelligent packing not only speeds up the process, but also reduces shipping costs by optimizing cube utilization and preventing overweight box penalties. I've seen an average 8% reduction in my overall UPS and Amazon partner carrier shipping costs since implementing this in early 2026, which for my current volume of $6,000 in monthly shipping translates to about $480 in direct savings. Step 6. Automated shipping plan generation and carrier label printing. Accuracy, 100%. Once boxes are packed, sealed, and weighed, the AI system automatically generates the FBA shipping plan within Seller Central. It selects the optimal Amazon warehouse destinations and generates all necessary box content information and carrier labels. These labels are then automatically printed and applied to the boxes by a final, small robotic arm. The entire process from receiving to ready for pickup takes less than half the time it used to, and with virtually no human error in the shipping plan details. Common mistakes to avoid when trying to automate your FBA prep. Firstly, don't over-automate too quickly. I see many beginners try to implement complex systems without truly understanding their own workflow first. Start by identifying the most repetitive, time-consuming tasks and automate those first. For most, that's labeling. Master one automated step before moving to the next. Secondly, underestimating the initial setup and training phase for AI. While powerful, AI systems require data and fine-tuning. My vision system, for instance, needed thousands of images of products, packaging, and common defects to achieve its current 95% accuracy. Be prepared to invest time in teaching your AI tools. This isn't a plug-and-play solution overnight. Thirdly, ignoring Amazon's ever-evolving requirements. Amazon frequently updates its FBA prep and shipping guidelines. Your AI system needs to be flexible and constantly updated to reflect these changes. If your system isn't dynamic, you risk sending non-compliant inventory, leading to costly delays and fees. I have a dedicated module within my AI that scrapes Amazon's help pages daily for updates. Finally, neglecting human oversight entirely. Even with 99% automation, a human touch is still critical for exception handling and strategic decision-making. My system flags anomalies for me to review. I still conduct spot checks. Automation should augment your business, not entirely replace your involvement. Use your newfound free time to focus on high-level strategy, finding new sourcing opportunities, and expanding your business, not managing robots. This level of automation isn't just about saving time. It's about unlocking scalability. By offloading the physical grind to AI and robotics, I've been able to triple my sourcing efforts, diversify into new product categories, and significantly increase my net profit margins in 2026. This isn't science fiction. It's the future of FBA, and it's accessible if you approach it strategically. Subscribe to ArbitrageHQ for weekly videos on building real wealth.